Hey everyone, today I will show you how to buy Discord Nitro using PaySafeCard in just a few easy steps. First of all, open Discord and click on the gear icon at the bottom left to access your user settings. Next, select Nitro from the sidebar to view your subscription options. Choose the Nitro plan that fits you best, whether it's Nitro Classic or the full. Now you will see various payment methods. Select PaySafeCard from the list. Enter your 16-digit PaySafeCard PIN in the designated field. Finally, review your purchase details and click Confirm to complete your Nitro subscription. And that's it. You have successfully purchased Discord Nitro using PaySafeCard. Enjoy your new park. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.